Now guys, service cycle speed. Now I put 1 moment in test to here 1 time. Now spin. Nope, it's very unbalanced. Okay guys, this is perfect. Very unbalanced for crazy washer boy. He reached the max speed. Yeah. Oh God. Jesus. Max speed. Very unbalanced. Yes guys, he's reached the max speed. For crazy washer boy 207, very imbalanced service cycle. I forgot to rinse, sorry guys. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. But guys, I stop here guys. Oh God. So this is the worst unbalanced of 2020. Yes. Gliel'ho fatta in ciclo, mamma. Sì. To cancel the RPM, you need to press again these 2 buttons to go to the normal. So guys, this is a test PST, this is nothing. But guys, be careful when you try to service cycle with clothes. It's not a balance sensor guys. Be careful when the machine is jumps.
Io te lo faccio fare solo facciamo palestra.
Okay. Guys, be careful guys. So be careful because it is not a balance sensor. When this spin is very unbalanced guys, it jumps on the service cycle. But be careful guys, when it's very unbalanced, stop the machine guys and here. To cancel the service cycle, you need to switch the machine off and switch the machine back on. And you can go to the normal guys to select your programs. And guys, on not this machine, when I press the spin button for 3 times, it's gonna go to the spin. And to the delay end? No. Let's try with temperature button. No. But guys, thanks for watching in my video. If you have liked my video, subscribe to my channel. But guys, I show you 1 clip on service cycle because it's not a balance sensor guys. So I show you 1 clip. Where is the service cycle mode? Here. look at that service cycle, what happens when it's too balanced. This happens. So this happens on service cycle when the spin is very unbalanced. And slow down, guys. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you later. Bye.